KBEAR has announced a new adapter. This is the Lightning DAC adapter. This just for Apple smartphones. It's a new Lightning to 3.5 millimeter adapter. It has a small built-in DAC chip. It has this very small amplification in it, so it works pretty much very well with it works pretty much well with most IEMs. It's not powerful, so don't expect this thing to blow you away in terms of sound quality or anything like that. It's Lightning to 3.5. The model name is the audio adapter, KBEAR audio adapter. It's made out of aluminum alloy as well, and it looks decent. I'm not going to lie about that because it really does look decent. These are adapters you just buy to have in your pocket, especially when you're outdoor. Most Apple, not just most, every Apple device right now don't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you need this sort of adapter to at least enjoy some audio at least out of your Apple devices, because it's quite sad right now that we don't have access to 3.5mm on any Apple device. So this is the only way now to get external audio from our Apple devices, which is quite sad. Honestly, it's quite sad. The built-in DAC chip is a very cheap DAC chip. Model number is the 53A4. It's not something that will blow you away. This model also can power some decent IEMs and some decent headphones. Don't expect it to be blowing you away in terms of sound quality or anything of that sort. This is a very cheap, very cheap $8 DAC that is not expensive. It's very cheap. Obviously, when you have this sort of price, you just know that you just have to temper your expectations quite slightly on this particular release, because you won't get that mind-blowing sound. The cable on it is made of a 4-core pure silver cable, and it's made well. At least it looks and feels good. And it's one thing. It's one thing that I'm enjoying about this new release. It does really look good. It does really look good. Honestly, it's one thing that does look good. And the one other thing is that it has the ability to power most IEMs, and it looks quite interesting. At $8, DACs now are getting really cheaper. They're really getting cheaper, and they should be quite good for most people. So this new product, it will be available right now. So I will leave a link to where you can purchase it at the $8 price range. So do subscribe to the channel. I'll see everybody next time.